If your car does not exceed 30 kilometers per hour, several causes can explain this phenomenon, both mechanical and electronic. It is important to understand that when the car seems to be stuck at a very low speed like 30 kilometers per hour, it could be due to various factors. These causes can range from settings pre-programmed by the manufacturer to technical malfunctions, as well as safety-related factors and factory limitations. For car enthusiasts and mechanics, it is crucial to examine these different scenarios to understand where the problem might come from and how to resolve it. First, let's examine the case of vehicles equipped with a speed limiter. More and more modern cars are equipped with an electronic device that restricts the maximum speed of the vehicle. This device, often programmed, might have been inadvertently activated during an intervention on the engine management software or may have been activated at the factory for specific uses. For example, vehicles intended for school transport or urban deliveries may be programmed not to exceed certain speeds, such as 30 kilometers per hour, for safety reasons. If this mode was activated by mistake, the car will not exceed this speed, even if you press the accelerator to the maximum. To check this, it is advisable to consult the owner's manual or visit a dealership to deactivate this function if necessary. If it is not a speed limiter, a malfunction in the car's electronic system could be responsible for the limited speed. The engine control unit (ECU) is the brain of the vehicle, managing all the vital parameters of the engine and its components. If this control unit encounters an issue such as a short circuit or a sensor failure, it can intentionally reduce the engine's power to protect other systems. For example, if the accelerator position sensor or the speed sensor is faulty, it sends incorrect information to the ECU, which may then limit the speed to 30 kilometers per hour as a precaution. To solve this problem, an onboard diagnostic of the vehicle is necessary. With a specialized diagnostic tool, a mechanic can check the error codes and identify the faulty component. Additionally, a problem with the transmission can also cause a speed limitation. If essential components of the gearbox, such as the clutch or torque converter, are damaged, the car may not properly engage higher gears. This can lead to a loss of power, thus limiting the vehicle's speed. This type of failure typically manifests with strange noises or jerks when shifting gears or a general loss of power. In this case, the transmission should be inspected by a specialist to determine whether a repair or thorough maintenance is needed. The fuel injection system could also be at fault. If the vehicle does not receive enough fuel due to a faulty fuel pump, clogged injector, or blocked fuel filter, the engine's power will be limited. This fuel restriction leads to a performance loss and can result in a speed limitation of 30 kilometers per hour. Therefore, it is essential to check the condition of the fuel injection system and replace worn parts to avoid such a breakdown. Moreover, electronic malfunctions in the vehicle's systems may also cause speed problems. Modern vehicles are equipped with multiple electronic modules that regulate various aspects of the engine, clutch, steering, and other vehicle systems. If any of these modules fails, it can send incorrect information to the ECU and reduce the vehicle's maximum speed to protect the engine or prevent further breakdowns. It is recommended to check the wiring and connectors, as corrosion or poor connections can also disrupt the proper functioning of the sensors and ECU. Sometimes, the speed limitation may be related to poor calibration after a repair or maintenance work on the vehicle. After replacing parts such as the fuel pump or a sensor, the engine management system may not be correctly readjusted. This can lead to reduced engine performance and prevent the vehicle from reaching its maximum speed. In this case, recalibration of the ECU and reprogramming of certain electronic modules are necessary. This type of procedure must be carried out by a professional with the tools and expertise to properly reprogram the vehicle. It is also important to consider the impact of wear and environmental conditions on the vehicle's performance. An overheating engine or a defective cooling system can automatically reduce the engine's power to avoid damage. Moreover, in extreme climatic conditions, the performance of the engine and sensors can be affected. Regular maintenance and checking of the cooling system can prevent these issues and allow the car to operate at full capacity. Electric and hybrid vehicles also have particularities when it comes to speed management. In some cases, a problem with the battery or the energy management system may limit the vehicle's speed. Hybrid or electric vehicles are often equipped with an economy mode that limits power to preserve battery life. If the battery is damaged or shows signs of weakness, the system may restrict the speed to 30 km per hour to avoid further damage. A checkup of the battery and energy management system can help identify this type of problem. In extreme situations, the speed limitation may be related to a safety mode activated by the ECU. If the engine or another vehicle component detects a major issue, the ECU can intentionally reduce power to avoid severe damage. This safety mode may be indicated by the activation of a warning light on the dashboard. If this light is on, it is advisable to consult a professional immediately for a full diagnostic. The vehicle may also have issues related to power transmission. A defective differential or a worn-out drive shaft can lead to a loss of torque, thus reducing the vehicle's maximum speed. These issues, which may be due to lack of lubrication or wear on the parts, require replacement or repair of the defective components. Finally, it should be noted that some classic or older cars may have a built-in speed limitation, either to preserve the engine or due to older safety standards. In these cases, a thorough inspection of the mechanical and electronic systems is often required to restore optimal performance. Consulting specialized forums and maintenance videos on channels like GBE Automobile 237 can provide specific solutions for older vehicles. In summary, a speed limitation of 30 km per hour can be caused by several factors, ranging from a manufacturer-programmed speed limiter to a malfunction in the electronic system, or even a mechanical issue in the transmission or fuel injection system. A precise diagnosis using specialized diagnostic tools is essential to identify the root cause of the problem and perform the necessary repairs. Moreover, regular vehicle maintenance and checking of the electronic and mechanical systems can help prevent such malfunctions. In case of doubt, it is advisable to consult an automotive professional who can perform a detailed analysis and restore the vehicle to optimal working condition.